Now, with the array of components, the Moen Arbor MotionSense 7594E might seem a little intimidating to install. However, the process is less complicated than it looks, or at least it will be with the help from this video. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet series. Good day folks, and welcome back. In today's ShouldIT DIY, we're installing the Moen Arbor MotionSense 7594E touchless pull-down kitchen faucet. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plate to cover the extra holes from 3-hole installation. But here, we only use this single rubber gasket. Notice the alignment of the grooves. Put the mounting bracket onto the main shaft and secure it with the mounting nut. Use the included tool to tighten the mounting nut. And put on the hose guide nut and tighten by hand until snug tight. Then put the sprayer head and hose together. Avoid over tightening. And push the hose all the way through the body. Then clip the weight onto the hose at the yellow marker. Now attach the control box to the guide nut. And connect the data cable to the box at the correct port. Make sure to push in all the way. Then push the hose into the control box via the quick connect port. Use Teflon tape when necessary. Connect the water supply lines. And tighten with a wrench. Now insert 6 AA batteries into the holder. Notice the instruction sticker. And plan for the place to mount the holder using the included accessories. And insert the battery holder cable to the control box. Wait for 10 to 15 seconds for the calibration. Then turn on water via the handle. And the motion sensors to check. Change water temperature to check that the lines are correct, and finish up by checking for leaks. And you're all done. And that's how we install the Moen Arbor MotionSense 7594E touchless kitchen faucet. Click like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and donating to support our work. Check the descriptions below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thank you for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.